Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the channel. If you are new, hey girl, hey, I'm Sharron. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. So today, y'all, we are going to be reviewing this wig right here. I'm disappointed, but we're going to get into it anyway. Let's get into the video.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.
Hello, it's me, in the words of Adele. Listen, the wig we're going to be doing today, when I tell you I've had this sitting for months, I mean, I've had this sitting for months and I'm just now getting around to it. I've said this on probably every single social media platform I have. This East Coast winter is taking me out, okay? I'm not made for this. I don't even know why I still live down here. I'm serious. This is just not the life that I would have chosen for myself. This is really all a scheme that my grandmother set up to come to me with the bullshit. You know what I'm saying? Because I don't know why this was the chosen place to live. I had enough. Okay, I'm not going to go into a rant. Focus. Stay on task. So today we are going to be reviewing Sensational Butter Lace. This is Butter Pre-Cut Unit 7. And this is what mama looks like. And we have some highlights going on. When I initially saw this, again, it's been sitting for months. Uh-oh, there's my stomach growling. Your girl is hungry. But when I first initially saw this, I was like, oh, this looks like it could be like super cute. Because it's not like too full. Like it's not too big, but it like gives the waves and stuff, but it's not like overly big and poofy. So let's just get into it. So it's pre-cut. Love that. You know, I love me a quick wig, like please. This is what the color looks like. I have to say, this color looks so good. So good. I love the way this color looks. It's so pretty. Okay, so here is the construction of the wig. Combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps, and an elastic band. This is pre-cut, but I feel like they got hella extra lace in the front. So I will be cutting that off. But if you like to like lay lace so it like gives a frontal moment, like then you'll have a nice amount of extra lace to work with. And if you could see, like, this is some pretty good lace. Like it looks really good. The part is very well done as well. Like, wow. Let's try her on and see what she gives. Look at that. Look at this lace. For the girls who like lace and frontal, are you crazy? Look at that. And because my forehead is so big, if I wanted to, I could have my wig all the way up here and it will look like just completely fine. This looks good. This is cute. Listen, don't worry. We're gonna eat soon, okay? Just calm down. Goodness gracious. This is really cute. I would like for this to be like a little bit more flat, so I might need to like go in with something. But then I'm also going to push her, like she'll be back here though, so okay, yeah. Yeah, she'll be fine. This is so pretty. And I'm glad that I put on all black. Dressed in all black like the old men. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, so let me cut the lace off this. And then, as y'all know, like the way I wear my wigs, I wear them behind my hairline. So like, I'm just literally going to cut the lace off and then pop it back on. And really and truly, if I was not wearing it behind my hairline, then I wouldn't even have to cut the lace off because it is pre-cut. So like, this is meant to be a quick kind of an install. I feel like that's what it was designed to be. And then like I always tell y'all, if you are not new here, then you know. But if you are new here, then I always say I wear wigs for convenience. I don't wear wigs to make my life more complicated. I'm not doing a zillion steps applying a wig. Like, I'm just not doing that because it defeats the purpose. You understand? So I'm going to cut the lace off. Well, I'm going to cut some of the lace off, and then I'm literally going to pop her back on, and then we can chat. Okay? Uh-oh. 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 Because I'm cutting into the hairline, I'm having to... Uh-oh. 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 Is this supposed to be a blend? Because I feel like it shouldn't be that difficult to get a couple of hairs from out the damn thing. Oh, Sensational. I don't play like this. Are you out of your mind? No. See, now it's messing up. Now this piece. What kind of fibers is this? Hold on. This says upgraded 100% premium fiber. Baby, where's the upgrade? Oh, when they saying upgrade, they talking about this, not the hair. Okay, so that was super quick. Like I said, that's what it's designed to be. Like, it's pre-cut basically to make it easier for you to install the wig, right? And it was very quick and easy. And for this, I didn't even put anything in the part like to like kind of like, you know, make it blend, because it is pretty blended all on its own. Like, it really does not need much of anything in terms of like concealing the part or anything like that. So initially unboxing this wig, I was like, oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. Oh my goodness. Like, the color is great, and I still feel like that about the color. The color is absolutely beautiful. I love the blend of the colors. But now, having cut the pieces of the lace off, as I told y'all before too, like, I always cut into the hairline because that's just what works best for me, right? So when cutting the lace off and trying to then detach it, it was a mess. As you see, like, this piece is virtually straight now, and it made the front pieces like tangle up real bad. And now they doing that thing with like synthetic wigs where like when they start to get old, they kind of start looking like hay. I feel like you probably can't really tell on camera, but like this piece kind of looks very hay-like, and that's annoying because I literally just took it out the box, right? And it helped me to see the type of texture of wig this is, and I hate it. I don't like the way this feels. The hair feels very cheap. I'm confused because, like, to me, it's counterproductive to spend so much effort on making sure that the lace and the part and all of that stuff is beautiful, gorgeous, right? Like, that, all of that stuff is amazing, top tier, is lit. But it doesn't matter if the hair that is attached to said lace and all of that is crap. And I know you probably like, girl, it's a synthetic wig, it's not that serious, but it is. And I hate that, like, it's that kind of curl that when you like run your finger through it, it like turn the other way. Feels so cheap. And then like at the ends, it's just getting all tangled up. I had high hopes for this wig. I was rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. How dare you? I'm pissed. I'm really disappointed too, because like I said, initially when unboxing this, it looked so pretty. And I just thought it was going to be so lit. But it's like, it's just not. It's just not. It's not holding up. And I know, like, on camera, it probably don't look that bad. But look at this. This not what I want. It's not. I'm very disappointed. Oh, Candy, won't you go see us a studio? We can go and drop some beats. But yeah, y'all, that's it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Like, am I doing too much? Am I being too hard on this wig? Let me know, even though I don't really feel like I am, but I would love to know your opinion and what you think. Yeah, let me know down in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I will catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings. Oh, and sister, keep me in your prayers, okay? Because I'm not playing around. If I wake up tomorrow and it's not 80 degrees and sunny, I'm gonna crash out. Y'all, I feel like the video, I had to go vertical. Is this vertical or horizontal? Whatever. I had to go up and down. Vertical. Yeah, I had to go vertical to show y'all this, like, because I feel like it was not doing it justice in the just horizontal long form way. Like, look at this. What? I'm sorry. What even is this? I could not even get thumbnail shots. Like, this looks awful. This is what I mean when I say, like, the way it's kind of like turning into whatever this is. Like, what even is this? This don't look like this. We are not the same. We are not the same. Let me just do a complete 360 for you. I beg your immediate pardon. Like, I feel like normally with synthetic wigs, I know how to pick them. It's very rare that I get a synthetic wig and I hate it. Like, that has probably happened like maybe 3 times tops on my channel. Like, so I actually feel hoodwinked. Okay? I've been bamboozled.